Hello everybody, thank you so much for joining my channel. Please excuse my voice, getting over a cold, flu, I have no idea what it was. But that said, I have some oldies but goodies that I'd love to share with you. Let's get right into it. So the very first thing I'd like to show you is a piece that I got from Bloomingdale's. The last time I went to Bloomingdale's, I was trying to reacquaint myself with the brand. I picked up a few items here and there, didn't have a plan. Same thing happened this time. I didn't have a plan, but I went in and got some Ralph Lauren pieces that you've already seen, but there was one piece that I ended up ordering online. And they sent it to me hung up on a hanger. I really like when brands send me things hung up on a hanger. It's very classy. Other people think that it's unnecessary packaging to have the bag and the hanger and all those things, but I like it when they do that. So this dress is by the brand French Connection. The original price on here is $118, but I think I got this for like 30 bucks from the brand, from Bloomingdale's. And again, all part of the Black Friday sales. I'm just kind of unfortunately getting around to sharing with you these things. There were some really good sales that were happening that encouraged me to go ahead and try out some new things, and this was one of them. It'll be very hard to see, so hopefully I can do a cutaway, but what I really like about this is very, very sweet, right? It has this sort of, crisscross heart neckline, sweetheart neckline. Is that what it's called? Yeah. I got this in a size 0, and I love that it's a bit crepey. It's not linen, it's cotton. Let me make sure before I lie to you. Yes, this says it's 100% organic cotton, but it feels very, very nice. Perfect for summer. I guess that's why it's called summer white. I looked all over for what it's made of, and it's right here on the tag. It says organic cotton. My word. Anyway, I love the cutouts here. Like I've said to you before, I do have tiger stripes, so I really appreciate the fact that it's covered here in the middle, and it cinches in, but it also has cutouts of the smallest part of the body. Another cool thing that I just discovered that I didn't know about it when I ordered it is that it has pockets. And it is a short dress. So I'm super excited about this one. Hopefully I have the wherewithal to do a cutaway and show you how it fits, do a try on for you. But this piece I absolutely adore. I love it. This says Rocky. It's very, very cute. The next brand is yet another oldie but a goodie. It is Madewell. I've gotten things here and there from Madewell. One of my favorite pair of jeans is from Madewell. They had a really good sale over the Black Friday weekend, and I made sure to pick up some of the more staple pieces that I need in my wardrobe. I've been trying to replenish some of my basics and replenish some of the basic things that you need on a regular basis. I work from home and it's pretty chilly in my home, and so I've been trying to make sure I have a bunch of cardigans, and that's what I got lately. You'll see in some of the other hauls that I did before that I had several cardigans. This is no different. This one is in a forest green. I do not have a forest green cardigan. You did see me haul a forest green or evergreen green, whatever color we want to call this, but a blazer from Eddie Bauer, and this is not a blazer. It is a cardigan, and it's different. So this one I got recently as well, and I absolutely love this. I don't think it has pockets. Most of my cardigans do not. I think I only have a couple that have pockets, but I love this. It's light enough for your cooler evenings in summer, but it is a good layering piece for winter and fall. So I am absolutely loving this. I got this in an extra small, so I think this should fit really well. Another piece I kind of got accidentally, but not accidentally. Maybe a couple times a year, I will order some clothes for kids who have just come into the United States from Haiti. They may not have they come with the basics, right? So I do like to get them as much as I can, like a whole new wardrobe as best I can. And I can't afford to do that at major stores, so I do it at Shein. And this is why I'm not against fast fashion. I feel like everybody, no matter what cost point, should have that endorphin feel or that really good feeling of being able to pop tags. And I think fast fashion allows that at a different price point. Where I think it comes into question is where people buy fast fashion in excess, and you can't afford to buy things that are slower fashion and more sustainable. and you choose to get fast fashion anyway. I think that's where the discrepancy comes in, where some people have a problem. For me, I have been slowly but surely moving away from fast fashion, but it's a journey. It's not a stopping point. I'm still working on it. That said, I needed to get one more thing in my basket in order to get free shipping, and I grabbed myself a piece. So that's why I do have something here from Shein. As you know, I've done tons of Shein hauls in the past, and you can look those up if you like to see what they are. But this one, you know, caught my eye. I loved all the fun colors. It gave me Farm Rio vibes. This one is really hard to see what it looks like as I hold it up, but it's a long sleeve piece that has a V-neck up here up top, and, you know, long balloon sleeves. It comes together here in the middle. I'm just a little self-conscious about the tiger stripes here in the middle, so I appreciate that it covers that up. But the whole side and back are cut out. It has ties along the back. It's really hard to follow along here because of so many openings, but it has ties along the back, is open along the waist, and then here's the back of the skirt. I'm really hoping that the skirt is not too big because it seems a bit big here. It has a hoop skirt here at the bottom. And I think that's really pretty. It's like a little flouncy piece. I'm probably going to have to wear it with some boy shorts, but I think it's a little cute little flouncy piece for summer. I'm going to enjoy wearing it. I know. It's Shein. The next one is an oldie but a goodie as well. You've seen me do several hauls from the brand The Laundry Room. Usually they do, you've seen me get their mystery boxes where you, for $99, you get like 10 to 12 pieces with a value of about $500 worth of things in this box. And it's usually pretty amazing. They don't skimp on the value there. But they had a sale during Black Friday where everything was like 70 to 80% off, something to that effect. So it was, to me, the same as getting that box. So I picked up several pieces, some for me and some for my girlfriend as gifts. So you'll see me picking and choosing through these because there's some I don't want them to see. And yeah, I'm going to keep it private. But so yeah, this one is one of them that they can't see. Here's one. This is a shirt, and this says, "These ho-ho-hos ain't loyal." So I love these dumb shirts like this. You guys know that. I love these little message tees with funny slogans on them. I thought this was great for the holidays, and I am really looking forward to wearing this. They always have these little fun shirts like this. The only thing that I don't particularly care for with this brand is how big these things come up. This is an extra small, and it's huge. I usually end up having to knot and tie all of the shirts that I get from this brand because they're just so big. See, the next thing I got here, I think this is a pair, is this a hoodie? This is a sweatshirt. And this is a crop sweatshirt in black. I absolutely love crop things. We've talked about this before in the past. Cropped items make you look like your waist is nothing. Like what waist, you know? Because it's so boxy and so wide and so short, and it illuminates the smallest part of your body. It really looks like your waist is really small. So I absolutely love crop waist items. So this is no different, and it's super cozy and slouchy. I love laundry room sweats. I think by far their sweats are the softest sweats I've ever felt. And that's probably a big statement to make because there are tons of sweat companies, all right? Oh, this is a gift. I can't show you that one. And that's a gift. I can't. So that is a big statement, I think. I love that it's black too because it's versatile. I can wear it with other pairs of sweats. I can wear it with jeans, you know, make outfits with that piece or match it with matching sweat bottoms. I do have black sweats, and I do have a pair of sweats here that can match with it. These are a pair of white and black sweats that have my zodiac sign on it. It says Gemini on it. And these are, you know, joggers that kind of cinch in at the ankle here. I got these in a size, what did I get you in? A size medium. I did size up. Now that I'm holding them up, I think that was a bad idea. I forgot that all of the other sweats that I've gotten from them have been an extra small, and they've been fine. So I should have probably just gone to a small, but whatever, I'm not mad at it. So it has the logo here, right below the pocket, and then on the other side it has the Gemini spelled out down the leg, and I really like this. I hope I can keep these white. I hope I can keep them clean, but that's neither here nor there. But the other thing I mentioned here that I like about this is that the black and white will go with this black sweatshirt that I got as well. The last piece I want to show you matches the sweatpants that I got, and that is a Gemini t-shirt. It says the Caring Twins, witty, brilliant, adaptive, happy, air, all new fabric. Oh, never mind. Anyway, so it's talking about the Gemini zodiac sign, and I love that we are called the Caring Twins. The other thing, I got this in a, I hope I didn't size up on this, because these shirts, this is extra small. These shirts come up so big, so I do have to tie and knot these, like I said before, to make them fit me. But otherwise, it's so soft. These are probably the best, sweats and t-shirts or whatever you will find, because they feel so good, and it's always like nice, beautiful cotton. It's not cheapy cotton that's gonna itch or anything like that. This is great quality stuff. So I love the brand, and I would recommend it. So that said, I think that brings me to the end of the oldies but goodies. But I want to make sure I shared that with you. Like I have my new things that I share with you, but I also have the things that I return to because I love them, and I have my stamp of approval on these brands. Thank you so much for watching. Everything as best I can will be linked down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share it with a friend. Give me a big fat smash on the like button. Come back. Bye.